Hi, and welcome to the Simply Bread Studio. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the basic controls for your oven. Aside from the power switch on the back, all of the oven functions are controlled by these three knobs, as well as the steam release valve on the side. To start, let's turn on the oven. It'll take about 30 seconds to 1 minute for it to turn on. Let's take a look at the power knob, which is in the middle. Turning this knob clockwise 1 click will turn on the oven lights, and 1 additional click will put the oven into bake mode. When the oven is in bake mode, you will see 3 squiggly lines in the top left corner of the screen, and the oven will begin heating. Next, let's take a look at the temperature knob, which is here on the right side. When the oven is in bake mode, you can rotate the temperature knob to select your preferred baking temperature. Additionally, pressing and holding the temperature knob will allow you to access the oven menu. You can then use the knob to scroll through the menu, pressing the knob in again to select your desired menu page. The last knob here on the left is the steam knob. The steam knob can be rotated to select how many seconds of steam you'd like to be released. For this demonstration, we're going to select 5 seconds of steam. We're also going to add water to the top here, which will evaporate into steam when we're ready. If you're curious about how much steam should be used and when, check out the other videos in this Getting Started playlist. It's also important to know that the oven can only release steam if it's properly heated. Otherwise, the water will not evaporate properly and instead drip into the oven. This won't damage your oven, but you won't get the desired result from the steam. Now that we've gone through all the oven controls and activated our steam, let's take a look at the steam release valve located here on the right side of the oven. In the furthest clockwise position, facing upward, the valve is closed and will retain any steam that has been released into the oven. Once you're done steaming, pull the release valve downward and the steam will be released. It's important to note that the steam will be released directly above this handle and will be very hot, so it's important to keep this area clear. And those are the controls for your Simply Bread oven. If you're wanting to know more about the steam function or the stone curing process, make sure to check out the other videos on this Getting Started playlist.